Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 4, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, tap on this icon here to access all these quick buttons, and here you can find Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on this button once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can allow exceptions. It could be calls, messages. So for example, if you enable it, you can select from whom you can get these calls or messages, from favorite contacts or from all contacts. There's also events and reminders, like you can add them to exceptions too, alarms, application notifications. But you can have absolutely no exceptions, and that's it. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can select days on which it will be active, start time, end time of the schedule, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.